going to use pick play post to create a live photo that's longer than 3 seconds. So here you select the photos that you want. So I've just created a random set of photos that I'm going to merge together to do this. This is what it's going to look like when you hold down on the screen. So this is quite a long live photo that I've created. You can also just add one video and make it into a live photo, wherever you want. So here I've added text. You don't have to do that, but I've just done it as an example. You can change the colour of it as well, which I will show you in a minute. There we go, so I've changed the colour on it. And I'm going to reposition it, I think. So I've repositioned it. You can make it larger as well, or smaller. So you have a little watermark on it, which means their logo is imprinted on it, but to get rid of it you have to pay for that. So this is me checking to see what it's going to look like when I set it as a live photo. As you can see, this is longer than 3 seconds. So here I am holding down on the screen just to see what it's going to look like. So you can still reposition it on the screen depending on where you'd like the image to fall. So I've set it as a wallpaper, it's doing it now. And here is the example. This is actually on my lock screen on my iPhone XR. This is done on iOS 13, but it still works on other iOS's. As you can see, this is still going. I'm still long pressing on it. Thank you for watching. Peace.